Rusan Pharma achieves global GMP milestone with PMDA Japan approval. Rusan Pharma, a leading pharmaceutical company pioneering pain management, movement disorder, and addiction solutions worldwide, has achieved a significant global regulatory milestone with the successful Good Manufacturing Practice (GMP) approvals from Japan's Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Agency (PMDA). This achievement reinforces the company's commitment to world-class quality, compliance, and global manufacturing excellence. Raay Neo Pharma to expand quality healthcare access in India. Raay Neo Pharma, a next-generation pharmaceutical company, has officially unveiled its operations with the aim to contribute to quality healthcare for all Indians. Founded using a flexible and scalable operational framework and supported by more than 5 decades of diverse entrepreneurial success, Raay Neo Pharma will be introducing its range of more than 90 formulations in both acute and specialized therapy segments, along with a promising pipeline of novel formulations under development. Supriya Lifescience secures USFDA EIR with VAI classification for Maharashtra API facility. Supriya Lifescience Limited, a leading API manufacturer, today announced the USFDA has issued an Establishment Inspection Report, EIR, with Voluntary Action Indicated, VAI classification, for its API facility at Lote Parshuram, Maharashtra, successfully closing the recent inspection cycle. Orbicular partner gets tentative USFDA nod for generic Ozempic OneSource, as CDMO, OneSource Specialty Pharma Limited, announced that its partner Orbicular Pharmaceutical Technologies, Orbicular, together with its US-based front-end partner, the ANDA holder, has secured tentative U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) approval for an abbreviated new drug application ANDA for a generic version of Ozempic, semaglutide injection. OneSource is the contract development and manufacturing organization (CDMO) partner for this product. NHA concludes Chintan Shivir on AB PM-JAY and ABDM, focuses on digital health and innovation. The National Health Authority (NHA) successfully concluded the 2-day Chintan Shivir on Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana (AB PM-JAY) and Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission (ABDM) in Pune, bringing together senior officials from the center and state/UTs to deliberate on strengthening healthcare delivery through innovation, technology, and collaborative governance.